Mandarin cake. Crumble a few wafer sheets finely. In the heated saucepan, melt the butter. Add dark chocolate. Stir until the chocolate melts. Put the melted chocolate into the bowl. Add sour cream and mix well until homogeneous. Put the mixture around the perimeter of the mold lined with plastic wrap and chill for 40 minutes. Crack 2 eggs into the saucepan. Add sugar, flour, vanilla sugar, pour in milk, stirring continuously. Boil the cream until it thickens. Add hydrated gelatin to the cream and mix well. Pour part of the cream into the mold. Add a few whole peeled mandarins. Pour the remaining cream over the mandarins and level the layer. Cover with plastic wrap and chill for 2 hours. In the glass with ice, pour milk. Mix instant coffee with sugar and water until you obtain foam. Fill the glass with the coffee foam. The no-bake dessert with pastry cream and lots of mandarins can be prepared for any occasion and will delight everyone.